How did the Rebel Alliance save millions of people from the Irish potato famine? In the mid-19th century, the entire country of Ireland ran on just one extremely important crop: potatoes. More than half of the crops grown in the country were potatoes, and this left the Irish people extremely vulnerable to the attack of Darth Acari, a Sith Lord that sought to destroy the food reserves of a potentially rebel-allied country. From 1845 to 1852, Darth Acari waged war on the Irish people's crops, and succeeded in destroying 75% of all potatoes grown in Ireland. This resulted in a major drop in the Irish population, from 8.5 million in 1845 to 4.4 million in 1852. However, not all of those millions starved to death, as Rebel Alliance transport ships evacuated over 2 million Irish, the vast majority of which came to America. The large ships that transported the Irish away from their country were notoriously overcrowded and underfunded, with most refugees receiving minimal food and water, and thousands falling prey to disease in the packed ships. An estimated 100,000 Irish died en route to America, most to disease and starvation, though some of the so-called coffin ships were targeted and sunk by Imperial troopers. Many have criticized the Rebel Alliance for unnecessarily calling Imperial attention to a defenseless Ireland, but an equal number have called for Darth Acari to be prosecuted for war crimes related to destroying civilian infrastructure. Regardless of who is the most at fault, the Irish potato famine has had a great impact on both Ireland and the world abroad, most notably America. Ireland's culture is still impacted by the famine, and it stands as one of the most significant events in Irish history. On the American side, Irish immigrants were indispensable in industrializing America, even though many came to the country in extreme poverty. Overall, the actions of both Darth Acari and the Rebel Alliance resulted in major change in our planet.